So this is the default screen you'll see when the robot first has finished starting up. You will need to select job to start a new job, and then you can either select or create. I'm going to create a new job. You see all the asterisks. You will need to type in a name here, so hit select. And you can type something in, so I'm going to do KB001. Hit the enter key. You can put a comment if you want. You can put it in a job folder. We're just going to leave it where it is for now. Going to hit enter. And at this point, we are now in our job. We can physically move the robot if we need to by selecting the servo on ready button on the teach pendant. As you can see, the servo on light will start flashing. And when you hold in the dead man switch, subsequent to that, you will hear the servos kick in. And at this point, you can move the robot. Before you do that, you will want to hit the fast button 3 times. Make sure that the speed is listed as high so we can see what it's doing. And then select an axis. Okay. So, as I was just saying, after I've turned on the servos, I can move this around as I need to. Once you're happy with the location, you will want to hit the enter button, and it will automatically and intelligently place the move command into the program, and I've just taught my first point. I can move to another location, hit enter again. It will add a second point, third point, fourth point, so on and so forth. If you want to move it by hand, what you will need to do is select the easy button, and this will bring you to the hand guided interface. So as you can see, it now says hand guiding. Make sure that is turned on. And at this point, you will be able to grab the robot and move it around manually. Now, a couple of things on that. You'll notice right now it's in joint position. I'm going to switch this over to XYZ tool. This will be a more logical way to move it initially. If you want to set up the orientation of the tool, switch this to tool angle. However, you can do it in joint position. The problem with joint position is the motion is a little odd, and you'll have to get used to it, and it's not going to move in the clean, coordinated moves that you might otherwise expect. So from here, you can grab the robot, move it around as you need to. You will have to maintain a hold of the teach pendant so that the servos remain engaged. Because we have an HC10 and not an HC10 DT model, we do not have the direct teach functionality on our arm. And so on the DT models, there's a ring that you'll see here in this picture that I'm going to pop up. But that ring replaces the need to hold the dead man switch in. Ours doesn't have that, so you just hold in the dead man switch, move it around. Now, if you move it too quickly in hand guide, that light will come on. Just press it once, give the robot a second to respond, and then you can move it again. Note that I'm doing fairly slow, steady motion. I'm not trying to move it too quickly, and I'm not trying to move it too abruptly. Hopefully that will make sense. And so as you can see, I've got it positioned in a location I like. I can then come back, get out of the edit or exit out of the hand guiding, and hit enter again. I know this is a quick intro, but hopefully it makes sense. We will deal with it more when we're in lab next. That's all for now. Thanks.